Okay, so what I'm going to be showing you how to do today is how to protect a cell within a Google Sheet. This is particularly useful when you have a lot of students all working within the same spreadsheet, maybe signing up for something or being able to input data in, and oops, somebody else overrode somebody else's data. So what you could actually do is you could teach students to protect their own cells. So how you could do this is you would tell them to click on their cell, right click, and hit protect range. Dialog box will pop up on the right hand side. You could add a sheet or range. And what I'll do is I'll just call it Brian because that's my cell and hit set permission. And a box will pop up. You could do the drop down menu and put only you. All right, now because I'm the owner of the sheet, it says only you. All right, from a student perspective, it would look a little different, and I'll show you that in a second. But once I'm done, I could hit done, and it'll save changes. And now this sheet has a protected range on this cell. On B6, only I can edit that cell. From a student perspective, they would right click on the cell and protect range. And once they label the range, it'll pop up and look like this. When they do their drop down menu, it's only you and the spreadsheet owner is what the students could put. Right? This means that you as the teacher, as well as the student, are the only ones that could access that cell. Right? So it's a good way to be able to teach students to be able to protect their work, especially when you're working in a collaborative sheet.